All that matters not to me, that you wherever I go.
Ain't nobody else gonna love me like you. Not entertaining thoughts of the mysteries, all the fairy tales. Wanna look good, craving the attention, and we don't know when to stop, so we keep going till we drop. Yeah, let me tell you about a little thing that I know of. It can give you everything you need. Oh, just look up.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm doing something a little different today. I'm doing a school vlog. A lot of my subscribers that know that I'm in school, thanks, because most of them are my friends, obviously, because I haven't really disclosed that I was in school, that they've been asking, why aren't you posting any nursing stuff? So I was like, well, that's normally not what I post on my content, but I'm here for you guys. And if that's what you guys want to see, then that's what I'm going to give you. Because I'm really appreciative for the subscribers that have stuck with me from day one. So whatever you guys want in my content, then that's what we'll be doing. I'm going to be bringing you along on that journey. So thanks guys for recommending this and tell me how you think about it. Guys, if you're new here, welcome. Typically, like I said, we do pranks. So if you're new, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And welcome on the journey.
Baby, could we have gone any faster? So done before the start. Chasing happily ever after, but you left your heart. Didn't know what you wanted, but you don't even trust yourself. We were so high up in love, but not enough to bring us back from where we fell. I feel paralyzed looking in your eyes. Wish I could be who you were made for, 'cause you were made perfectly. Words we spoke last night, we can't redefine. You said you're not sure who you're meant for, but you know we're meant to be.
first one done. We had an hour and 15 minutes and I finished in 30 minutes. So that means I either did really bad or I did well. I did study my butt off. And mental health is my specialty. As some of you guys know, I am a clinical social worker. But now I'm just taking nursing. Well, I'm in nursing school because my job paid for it. So I was like, well, why not? Free education, and I enjoy going to school and learning, different things. So hopefully I did really well on it. I have 4 months left of nursing school and then I'm completely done. So my goal in nursing is to become a correctional nurse or work in the mental health field. I really enjoy that population as well as corrections. So yeah, just like I said, bring you along for something a little different and let me know how you guys are enjoying it or if you don't enjoy it. So then I know if I should post more or post less. So if you guys have any questions, just leave a comment down below and make sure you're subscribing.
I would always try to get to class about 4 hours early, just so I can get a lot of studying done and be prepared for lab that day. Also, I'm in the evening program and class doesn't start till 4.
Maybe after midnight at your house with all your friends. Tell me we'll be alright, we got no doubts into the weekend. Don't wanna waste time, just take it back.
As you guys can see, I am fairly short. I'm not even 5 feet, so I just needed a little assistance.
I don't care about the scene, I don't care about the location. All that matters not to me, that you wherever I go, baby. I just need you by my side, yeah. That's until the day I die. Ever since you found me, we the only thing I see. Forever and a day, it's you and me, and they can't replicate this unity. No pressure, I can see them watching and they try to do better, but you 1 in a million, you ain't average. Girl, I promise I'ma have you living lavish. Take a trip, girl, we're about to vanish. 'Cause I'll go anywhere, anywhere, just as long as you with me. 'Cause girl, I know that you get me, so I'll go anywhere. I'll go, so I'll go anywhere. 'Cause I'll go, so I'll go anywhere. I don't even care about the way they're looking at us, 'cause I know they wish they had it and they know we doing damage to the game. I don't care about the stereotype, I can never do it mono, we the stereotype. I'm talking left, right link, I'm talking left hand ring. I'm talking this right here forever, we ain't here just for the summer. Always on 10, we ain't never had to come up. Young right now, but we gon' watch the numbers run up. Honestly, I love the way you carry it. It was an easy decision, I had to marry it. Honeymoon, I'ma put you on a chariot, and they don't make them like you no more. No pressure, I can see them watching and they try to do better, but you 1 in a million, you ain't average. Girl, I promise I'ma have you living lavish. Take a trip, girl, we're about to vanish. 'Cause I'll go anywhere, anywhere, just as long as you with me. 'Cause girl, I know that you get me, so I'll go anywhere. 'Cause I'll go, 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 so I'll go anywhere. So I'll go anywhere.
So now I'm leaving. Try to rush. So Hope you guys enjoyed that day. It's really busy for me. I got the hiccups. You know? So I'm thinking of getting this GoPro 8. Even though it's an 8, I'm pretty sure the quality is still close enough to the same. Just so we can have them in like every single room when we're doing pranks. Because sometimes I don't know like if he's going to walk out, where is he going to go. And since right now we only have 2, that's why I'm thinking that one. And obviously we need small cameras so we can hide them pretty good. So then it's not just like identifiable, just so it can, you know. And then a new SD card, because I do save all of them just in case something happens, like if my YouTube channel gets deleted or something crazy, I'll still have all of them backed up on a drive, so I can, you know, like I said, save my butt, so I can just re-upload or something like that if I needed to. I want that one. Oh, see, sales associate. Clearly I don't pay attention. Did end up passing my exam, which I'm really happy about. Like I said, I did study, but I don't know, I feel like I'm always studying or on the go mode, and even when we have break, it's still like you don't have a break, because, well, at least for me, I'm like, I want to start reading for the next thing that we're going to be doing so I don't fall behind. That's my fear, is failing, because I have four months left. 4 months left of nursing school, and then I'm done. I am graduating, so I don't want to take any chances, which is why my face is always like in a book. I feel like I have no time for myself, which is why I always do my hair myself, because I feel like that 1-2 hours that I'm at the salon, I could be studying or doing something else, which I know is bad. I actually have an appointment on the 12th for my hair, which I'm excited about, because I need to get it chopped, well, trimmed, not chopped. Just give myself a little TLC, because self-care is the best care, and I have to keep reminding myself that, even though in nursing school, I have to keep reminding myself that